If you're working in a Photopea and you want to make sure your project is saved the right way, this video will help you do it fast and without losing your work. I'm going to show you how to save a Photopea project for later editing and how to export it properly when you want to share it online, send it to a client, or print it. This is one of those simple skills that can save you a lot of frustration, especially if you spend time working with layers, text, masks, and effects. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at the best option if you want to come back and edit your design later. That is saving your project as a PSD file. PSD is the standard Photoshop project format, and it keeps all of your important editing elements intact. That means your layers stay separate, your masks stay editable, your text boxes remain live, and your layer styles are preserved too. So if you open the file again later, you can keep working exactly where you left off. To do that, go to the File menu at the top of Photopea. Once the menu opens, look for Save as PSD. You can also use the keyboard to shortcut Command and S on Mac or Control and S on Windows. When you click it, Photopea will prompt you to choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Pick a folder that you can easily find later, give the file a clear name, and then click Save. That's it, your project is now stored as a PSD file, which is perfect for editing later. Now let's talk about the second method, which is exporting your project for sharing, uploading, or printing. When your design is finished and you no longer need all the editable layers, exporting is the better choice. This gives you a final image file that can be used on websites, social media, email, or anywhere else you need a finished graphic. Go back to the File menu, then choose Export As. Photopea will show you a list of formats you can use. The best format depends on what kind of design you made and how you plan to use it. If you want to keep transparency or you made graphics with text, logos, or clean shapes, PNG is usually the best option because it gives you lossless quality. If you're exporting a photo-heavy design and want a smaller file size, JPG is a better choice. And if you're working with vector artwork or a document-style file, SVG or PDF may be more suitable. After you choose the format, an export window will appear. This is where you can adjust settings before downloading the file. If needed, you can change the dimensions or quality. If you're saving as a JPG, make sure the quality is set to 100% if you want the best possible image quality. Once everything looks good, click Save, and Photopea will download the image file directly to your computer. So the simplest way to remember it is this. Save as PSD if you want to edit later, and export as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF if you want to use the final version outside of Photopea. PSD keeps your project flexible. Export gives you the finished file. Choosing the right one depends on what you need. Before you go, make sure you double check which version you actually need. A lot of people accidentally export their final image when they really meant to save the editable project, and then they lose the layers they needed later. So if you're still making changes, save as PSD first. If the design is complete, export it in the format that matches your goal. If this tutorial helped you learn how to save a Photopea project properly, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick software tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.